Hey my baby dolls, welcome back to another hair review. In today's video, as you guys can tell by the title, I am doing a review for Asteria hair, and this is not my first time working with this company. Their hair is always a bomb, so I'm very excited about this one because this is straight unit. But not only is it a straight unit, this is a 6x6 lace closure. And I love a closure because it's less work and it's like a throw on and go type of wig. You do get an adjustable band in this wig right here, as you guys can see. Adjustable band. This is what lays down the lace, honey, okay? This really right here does justice for your lace, especially just to lay it down. It just lays down the wig completely different. I know it does have the adjustable straps too as well, which I am going to be using, and I just want to show you guys how pretty and silky this hair is. This is 24 inches long. This is pretty full for a 180 density. So far it looks really full, and I'm going to show you guys the inside of the construction of this wig. So that is how much room of lace you get, which is pretty good, okay? And this hair does look, this lace does look a bit pre-plucked for you already, so really good. It looks like it comes with a little bit of baby hair. So we're gonna see how this wig looks on. This lace looks like a medium brown tint of lace. Oh, it fits so snug. It fits really snug. And y'all, I did scrap the bands in, so this is not going nowhere. So one thing I did not do is I didn't do the wig cap method. So you might see my wig cap through the lace, which you kind of sort of do. So I'm going to make sure that it's not as visible and it blends in with my lace. So this is how much lace you get. It's a lot of room of lace. It's almost damn near a whole lace wig. So it goes to here, and then this is where it stops, as you guys can see. And the lace looks pre-plucked. Definitely pre-plucked. Okay, so since this is not technically bleached knots, I am going to put a little bit of foundation inside the cap. And what I'm doing, that's just to make everything just blend like it's my scalp. And I'm using my Got To Be Glued, and I'm using, you guys, I've been using the Tresemme Freeze Hold spray, but I'm going to use this just a little bit of this. It's Pump It Up by BB Spritz. So I'm going to lay down the Got To Be Glued, and then I'm going to spray a little bit of this on top of it, just a little bit, because I ran out of my spray. So I used this yesterday and it was okay, but we gonna make it a two with a two, okay? So this is definitely like a throwback back in the day spritz. Everybody used to use this in the hair salon. You gotta know about that spritz. If you don't, girl, I don't know what to tell you, but it's definitely a throwback. You guys can also use a little bit of concealer. It's really up to your choice. Some people use powder, up to you. I'm gonna use my concealer this time. This is the LA Pro concealer to put in the lace, and I have this in the shade Fawn. So Fawn is like almost damn near the same color as my foundation, same color as me. So I'm just really just putting it where the hairline area is, because that's super important for that to look natural as possible. guys, so far this lace looks really good and natural. And as you guys can see, I have not plucked this hair or anything, this lace, and the lace looks so good. So this is naturally pre-plucked for you already. Push that back so my ear can be out. Push this back. This is beautiful because you honestly can do a side part if you wanted to. You can literally do a lot with this for this to be a closure, because the closure literally goes to here. And I'm sorry, my phone keeps going off. But what I'm gonna do though, I'm gonna put this in the middle part. So let's see. I may have to tweeze my part just a little bit, so let's just put this in the middle. I'm going to spray this on my hair too. This is the Tresemme. I love this Keratin Smooth with Myrla oil. 5 benefits. So it's anti-freeze, detangles, shine, softens, tames the flyaways, and it's also a heat protection up to 450. So I love using this, especially on my straight hair, because y'all gotta protect from the heat, and you want your hair to be tamed from flyaways, and you just want all the benefits that I said. So it smells so good, y'all, like no lie. I definitely would recommend this on your straight hair. This is the part I'm going to pluck a little bit, and I'm going to of course use my hot comb so this can lay down flat as possible. This is 24 inches long. It looks like a 20-inch. Let me stand up, because usually 24 inches is usually longer on me, but I guess so. I'm gonna make sure for you guys, of course, but usually it's a little bit longer, but I guess this is a 24 inch. It's still long, because I'm short as hell, y'all. I'm short. This is the length of me. Okay, so part is a little bit more open. You can see it now. I'm going to use a little bit of my Maybelline Fit Me powder. I have this in toffee, so if you guys are wondering, this is in toffee, honey. And I love this one. I get this one. I use this shade specifically for my lace because it literally looks like my scalp. So I'm going to put a little bit of my argan oil on top. Okay. See how beautiful and silky that is, honey? right, y'all, so this is the hair. So far so good. I like the way how flat this unit is. It's not bulky. I'm going to turn around, show you guys the back. It gets straight pretty fast, like you don't have to keep going over and over it. Super silky soft, no shedding so far. You guys can see the part, how natural that looks. I really don't have anything bad to say about it. It's a simple wig. I definitely say this is like an everyday wig. If you're looking for an everyday straight hair. And y'all, this hair is so soft. I'm not even lying to you. I'm getting no shedding or anything. The hair is like, feels so soft. So yeah, I gave you guys my honesty on this hair. Super easy. It did not take me long at all to do this wig. If I did not say anything in this video that you would like to know, please let me know, because sometimes I know I can miss some things. And yeah, if you are interested in this wig, let me know, okay? And if you have any questions, let me know too as well. And I'll see you baby dolls in my next video.